beautiful. I have had dirty ulcers in 6 to 8 weeks. At complete out of normal recovery. So then at least you are at peace.
These small drops of cetrol going inside, doesn't matter. See, practically at least 4 ml of pure cetrol has to stay in that segment to cause DVT.
So by the time we did the fluoroscopy there, it was 10 minutes. He was hanging in the artist. Along with whatever combination you're using, you have to add 20 ml of laser and 20 ml of liquid.
I attended both laser proctology and laser EVLA. So it is a good conducted program, managed program, and both the sirs that has come are experienced. They give all the details and answered our questions. It is a good program for us beginners to think and start about laser.